Today we'll talk about how can you add personal goals on your app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on me down here. When you just click here on me, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, just go here above this sign, click on it, and it's going to show for you a list like this here. Click here on personal data. So then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on personal goals. In here can you select your goals in this list here. If you want to add more energy or boost health or lose weight here or so or live longer here, then you click on select, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking